Hello everyone, my name is Pratik Patel. Me and my teammates Michael, Dimitar, and Omar created this website called Most Valuable Professor where students of UIUC can go in and check the ratings of the professor and make more informed decision before signing up for any class. So if you so this is our login page. If you have a login information, then you can directly use that to get into our system, or you can create an account on our website and easily get through uh, the the website. And if you don't want to create an account, you can directly continue without account information, and you will be directed to our main page. So let's say this is our main page, and now over here you can directly search like 411 CS and Abdu, and this will show us the professor that Ab- Professor Abdu, and you can see the class and the description of the class and the name of the class. You will also find the average rating of this professor based on the feedbacks of the students, and average letter grade that the professor gives, and how much hours of work is it for this class. You can also find the average GPA of the professor that they gave in the past years, and you can see this interactive graph where like 947 students got A's and all that stuff. You can also see this many percentage of people get A for taking by taking this class, and this many students enrolled in total in this class. And you can also find information about most common letter grade. So the most common letter grade is A, like those are the main that's given to the students. And at the bottom you will see we have 7 comments. So you can post comments in here saying that having any comment that you want, the rating that you want to give, and the hours of work that the class has. So you can also rate any of the professor. And let's say I wanna go in the main page, and I go engrave, and let's say I wanna give him rating on 241. So you can go in here and directly press rate, and over here you have to sign up for account. So in order to give ratings, you have to either have a login information or you have to create an account. So let's create an account. So let's do test, and you can go over here and sign up. Oh, the user already exists, so we can create a different user called test1 then, and we can directly sign up with that information. And yep, now we are in test1. So let's go to engrave, and you go in here and let's rate him. And you can also select any of the professor, like going through the rate. But if you click rate from this professor page, it will directly fill this information for you. So it will fill the professor name, subject, and course number. So let's say this class took how much, 16 hours, 15 hours of work, and I want to give this professor rating of 10. So I can say like this is the best professor ever, and we can submit the rating, and your response has been recorded. So if you go to main page and you can search surf to engrave, let's go in here. Let me just click one more time here, and you can see a rating test1. This is the best professor ever. Or you can go in here, or you can, let's say you want to change your rating. That let's say I want to change my rating, and you go here, that new comment. You can also do that. So if you do submit rating, it will update the comment that you posted. So now if you go to search engrave, and you can go in here, and you will have a new comment that you posted. Alright, so now you can rate this professor, or you can manually fill in the information that you want. So let's say I want to rate this professor's so and so class and so rating.
Okay, so here we have our Gen Ed Finder page. The purpose of this page is to help students find their Gen Eds to satisfy their requirements in order to graduate. So it allows the user to input any combination of tags that they want. The results will have to satisfy all of those tags, so selecting a bunch of tags at a time probably won't work. So for this example, I'll select Advanced Composition and Cultural Studies. Then they can choose to include a GPA threshold, a average rating threshold, or an average amount of work threshold. And the GPA threshold can also choose what years to include for calculating the average GPA, and that also includes excluding or including the COVID semesters. So a lot of options for these. Now, as an example, I will say average GPA of 2.5, minimum year of around 10, average rating of pretty low, and average work hours of that. Now here you can see the results. They're sorted like the results on other pages by average GPA and then by rating. And then here you can see that we have the correct tags and the professor information. And like the other pages, you can click on one and get to the professor's page with all of those statistics. So hopefully this is very helpful for students who want to choose which gen ed to take.
You can also surf to About Us page, so you can look through all the information of this front end and back end developers, and you can go through our LinkedIn and GitHub pages if you're interested to check out our code. And now you can also log out of this account once you are done.